Becoming a market leader takes time. Staying that way and satisfying customers requires a strong commitment to innovation and ongoing improvement. Our Smart Surround Advanced Detection and Alert System is just one example. Another is the introduction of our Rytec Smart Factory, the most significant investment in highly skilled staff and state-of-the-art equipment Rytec has ever made. After more than 35 years of continuous innovation, it's the next step forward in our ongoing leadership as the best high-performance door manufacturer in North America, maybe worldwide. At Rytec, we take our brand promise seriously: quality, performance, reliability. In order to continue providing our customers with the highest quality, most reliable high-speed doors available, we've installed state-of-the-art fabrication, machining, welding, and painting equipment. With these now online and combined with our skilled team members and existing production capabilities, we've stepped up our game and are gaining strength over ongoing global supply chain and labor issues. What does that mean for our customers? Well, for one thing, we now laser cut, punch, and form all sheet metal components in-house, providing us with on-demand metal parts for all of our top-selling high-speed doors. Our 3 new machining centers drill, tap, mill, and custom cut to specification large aluminum profiles used in our side columns and panel assemblies. Our production floor now features new automatic press brakes for bending large sheet metal forms to create side columns, covers, hoods, and head parts for our Spiral models and Predator NXT doors, among others. We've added an automatic powder coat line, ensuring the ultimate in finish quality from standard Rytec Silver to a wide array of RAL and custom color finishes produced exclusively in our facility. And there's much more to come. Phase 2 of our investment in automation and technology and our commitment to customer satisfaction will be completed in upcoming months. With our customers at the center of our business, our company remains focused on fulfilling our brand promise and leading the future of high performance. Rytec: quality, performance, reliability.